OpenShift 421 is officially GA, and the release notes are massive. Because you don't have time for that, I'll try to summarize it right here. Whether you're a developer pushing code or an operator keeping the lights on, here are the three biggest things that are going to actually move the needle for your operations today and are going to want to make you upgrade today. 1. Virtualization as the bridge to modernization. If you're managing VMs, OpenShift Virtualization just got a serious quality of life upgrade. We've hit GA on cross-cluster live VM migration. This is huge for operators. You can move running live VMs from one cluster to another without downtime. You can use this for maintenance, for regular operation, for load balancing. It turns out operators really love when VMs have motion. Developers, you aren't left out. The UI now features AI-powered insights for VM troubleshooting. So instead of crawling the web for answers when a VM won't boot, the platform itself is giving you insights based on Red Hat knowledge on what could be going wrong so that VMs feel like first-class citizens in a Kubernetes world and you don't feel alone trying to figure this out by yourself. Number 2. AI infrastructure that doesn't feel like a science project. We're moving past the experimental phase of AI, and more developers in your organization want access to this very specialized hardware. To help operators, we have moved attribute-based GPU allocation to GA. What does that mean? You no longer have to manually map specific cards to specific pods. You can now request GPUs and have those based out of profiles or capabilities. So now you get to decide which profile has access to GPUs. Are you going to give it to your key developers that are bringing ROI with AI applications? Or will you give it to rogue developers that are going to be using it to, I don't know, mine crypto? And for developers, the Red Hat build of Q 1.2 is here. If you're tired of training jobs stepping on each other's toes, Q now supports Kubeflow Trainer v2 and JobSet. It basically acts as a traffic controller for your heavy workloads, ensuring that your AI jobs get the resources they need without crashing the cluster for everyone else. There's a huge win here for cost and resource management. If you are not using your control plane, it shouldn't be eating your budget. Simple as that. Number 3, and this one is really a cost saver. Scalability and security without the overhead. Let's talk about efficiency. We have introduced dynamic scaling and scale to zero for hosted control planes. And for operators, this is a massive win for cost and resource management. If you're not using the control plane, it should not be eating your budget, period. On the security side, Red Hat Quay 317 has moved UBI 9 minimal. This sounds like a small detail, but it drastically reduces the CVE noise your security scanners will pick up. Plus, with tag immutability, developers can finally stop worrying about someone accidentally overwriting a stable production image tag. So what you build in the image is what stays. And that's it. 421 in a nutshell. Smarter AI orchestration, seamless VM motion, and a much quieter security dashboard. It's all built on Kubernetes 1.34 and RHEL CoreOS 9.6, and it's ready for download today. So upgrade to 4.21. Go break some stuff yourself, or give it to your agent to go break some stuff in dev, and then see how it feels.